I recorded myself clicking through a dashboard once, just once, and by the time I stopped talking, I had a finished tutorial video, a written help article, and a Spanish version sitting in the same folder. Here's the AI tool that did it. This is Clueso, a small AI tool built for one very tedious job, turning screen recordings into finished tutorials. Not just trimmed clips, but full video tutorials with AI voiceover, matching written docs and translations generated from a single take. No editing software, no script, no re-recording per language. Stick around because I'll show you what Clueso does, how people are making money with it, and whether it's worth your time. Here's the plan. First, what this tool actually is and the trick behind it. Then, how freelancers, agencies, and support teams are turning it into real income. After that, a simple 4-step workflow you can copy today, the one feature that makes this different from every other screen recorder, and finally, an honest look at free versus paid. By the end, you'll know if this quietly replaces your video editor, your technical writer, or neither. Let's start with what it actually is. Clueso is an AI content tool built for anyone who has ever had to make a how-to video and hated every second of it. You record your screen once, talking through whatever you're doing, onboarding a new user, showing a feature, training a colleague, and Clueso's AI does the rest. It cleans up your cursor movements, cuts dead air, adds zooms and highlights where it matters, writes a proper narration script, records an AI voiceover in a natural-sounding voice, and produces a matching written help article from that exact same recording. It's aimed at SaaS teams, support departments, and solo creators who need constant tutorials but don't have a video team. And that's exactly where the money angle comes in. Here's where this gets interesting for anyone trying to make money, not just save time. Because Clueso doesn't just make one thing, it makes a video, a written article, and translations from a single recording. You can package that as a service. Freelancers are using it to sell done-in-a-day onboarding video libraries to small SaaS clients who've been putting off documentation for months. Agencies are turning one client walkthrough call into a dozen separate tutorial assets they can resell or bill for individually. Course creators are skipping editing software entirely, recording their screen once, and publishing a finished paid mini-course the same afternoon. And in-house support teams are quietly cutting the outsourced video editing and technical writing budgets they used to need every single month. Basically, if someone somewhere pays for tutorials, docs, or training content, this tool lets you make more of it, faster, for less. Now let's actually get it working. Using Clueso is genuinely simple, and it only takes 4 steps. Step 1. Record. Open your screen recorder or upload footage you've already got, and just talk through whatever you're doing. No script, no rehearsal. Step 2. Let Clueso clean it up. The AI trims out the dead air, smooths over jumpy cursor movements, and automatically adds zooms and highlights on the bits that matter, the kind of polish that used to take an editor hours. Step 3. Generate the voiceover and the docs. Clueso writes a narration script from what you said, records a natural-sounding AI voiceover over the top, and at the same time produces a written, step-by-step help article from that exact same recording. You don't do this part twice. Step 4. Translate and publish. One click localizes the finished video and article into other languages, and then you export it or embed it directly into your help center or course platform. 4 steps, 1 recording, multiple finished assets. Now the one feature that actually makes this worth talking about. If I had to pick the one thing that makes Clueso worth covering, it's this. It never makes you record twice. Most tools make you choose, record a video, or write a doc, or hire a translator. Clueso takes that single screen recording and simultaneously produces the polished video, the matching written article, and translated versions, all kept in sync with each other. Update the recording, and the docs and translations update with it. For anyone maintaining tutorials that go stale every time a product changes, which is basically everyone, that's the difference between documentation you actually keep up to date and documentation you quietly abandon after month 1. Let's talk about what it costs. Clueso's free plan gives you enough video minutes to properly test the whole workflow before spending anything, which is exactly how a tool like this should work. The paid plans unlock more minutes, custom branding, team seats, and those multi-language exports we just talked about. For anyone making tutorials regularly, my verdict is worth it. For a one-off video, the free plan alone will probably do the job. That's Clueso, a tiny tool doing a genuinely tedious job well. If you make tutorials or documentation for a living, this one's worth 10 minutes of your time. Subscribe because a new underrated AI tool drops here every single day. And tell me below, what's the most annoying, repetitive task you wish an AI would just quietly handle for you?